How to fix iPhone lock screen delay to wake up in iOS. If you're struggling with the same problem, this video is right for you, as we have some simple tricks and tips for you to solve this problem. First, go on Settings. Now scroll down on your screen and tap on the option called General. As you tap into General, scroll down again and tap on the option called Transfer or Reset iPhone. Once you tap into it, there are two options in which you have to tap on the first option. Now here, tap on Reset All Settings, as it will reset all of your settings, which might help you to fix the issue with your lock screen delay. You are now required to enter passcode. Once you enter your passcode, it will be now reset. Next thing what you can do is you can go and see if your iOS is updated or not. Sometimes if your iOS is not updated, it might create some issues with your lock screen. As you can see, it is up to date, so we have no problem now. In this way, you can easily fix your iPhone lock screen delay on your iOS. If you liked my video, make sure to give big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.